Volcanoes of Hawaii, Mrs. Goodwin's 4th grade class. Today we are going to learn about 2 volcanoes that are located in Hawaii, and also about tectonic plates, the Pacific Plate, and the Ring of Fire. Let's get started, and I hope you enjoy our journey together. Hawaii. Hawaii is formed by hotspot volcanism. The islands are located on the Pacific tectonic plates. Hawaii is the only U.S. state made of entirely islands. There are 8 major islands, as you can see them on the map. Hawaii has many volcanoes, and we will talk about a few today. Pacific tectonic plates. A tectonic plate is a massive, irregularly shaped slab of solid rock. It is composed of continental and oceanic lithosphere. The oceanolithosphere is located in the ocean. It is a thick mass of igneous rock which lies under the ocean floor. So here's the Pacific Plate. Hawaii is on top of the Pacific Plate, and it is about right here. That's where Hawaii would be. And the plates move, and that's what causes the volcanoes to erupt, not to erupt. And around here, where the black is, that is the Ring of Fire, and we will talk about that next in our next slide. The Ring of Fire. As you can see, the Ring of Fire is an arc stretching from New Zealand along the eastern edge of Asia, north across the Aleutian Islands of Alaska, and south along the coast of North and South America. So here's North and South America. Okay. Alaska is up here with the Aleutian Islands. New Zealand is down here. And then here is the eastern coast of Asia. All of these little triangles, they are symbols for volcanoes. And as you can see, there are a lot of volcanoes located around this Ring of Fire. Here's Hawaii. That's what we were talking about today, is the island of Hawaii. And for the Ring of Fire, it is composed over 75% of the world's active and dormant volcanoes. This huge ring of volcanic and seismic activity, seismic means earthquake activity, was noticed and described before the invention of the theory of plate tectonics theory. We now know that the Ring of Fire is located at the borders of the Pacific Plate and other major tectonic plates. So the Pacific Plate was down here, as we saw on the previous slide, and this is the Ring of Fire. Active volcanoes. There are 2 currently active volcanoes which are located on the Big Island of Hawaii. They are called Kilauea and Mauna Loa. So here's Kilauea, that's where it's located. Here's where Mauna Loa is located. As you can see, they are fairly close to each other and are on the largest island of Hawaii. Hawaii is composed of 8 islands. So here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's talk about the first volcano. Kilauea, Big Island, Hawaii. Elevation is 1,222 meters. It's a shield volcano, and it's one of the world's most active volcanoes. This volcano has been in consistent eruption since 1983. The most recent eruption was on March 5, 2011. Mauna Loa is also located on Big Island, Hawaii. Elevation is 4,170 meters. It's a shield volcano, and it is in its longest historical period of inactivity of 25 years. This volcano last erupted on March 25, 1984. I hope you enjoyed our journey together.